Malaysia Education Fair, concluded in Karachi Movenpick Hotel, witnessed the attendance of hundreds of aspiring students, concerned parents, motivated academia, potential business community, and honorable diplomat. A 3-day study in Malaysia Education Fair was held in Hyderabad Indus Hotel and Karachi Movenpick Hotel from March 1st through 3rd, 2024. The event was a real success in the history of the province, where not only thousands of students visited but hundreds of professors and record number of worthy vice-chancellors and chairmen of educational groups participated and graced the event. We are especially thankful to the Sindh chapter of APSIP for making this event a real success. And without their support, we could not make it happen. Our special thanks to His Excellency Consulate General of Malaysia for the utmost support and patronage. His presence during the events both in Hyderabad and Karachi is the biggest example of such great support.